Welcome to this guide on employee records management. In this video, we are going to explore the essentials of maintaining accurate and secure human resources documentation. Whether you are new to HR or looking to refresh your knowledge, this presentation will cover the fundamentals you need to know. First, let us define what we are talking about. Employee records management is the systematic control of all documents related to an employee. This covers the entire life cycle, starting from the moment a person is hired, continuing through their employment, and extending even after they leave the organization. The core goal here is simple: ensure information is accurate, secure, and compliant. Why should we care about this process? There are three main reasons. Number one is legal compliance. Keeping accurate records protects the organization from lawsuits and fines. Number two is efficiency. Good management saves time when you need to run payroll or check benefits. And number three is risk mitigation. Having a paper trail helps resolve disputes and provides evidence if disciplinary action is ever needed. HR files contain various types of data. We generally categorize them into four groups. Personal data includes contact info and tax numbers. Employment documents cover contracts and job descriptions. Performance records track reviews and training. Finally, leave and medical records track attendance and health information, which often require higher security clearance. Every record goes through a life cycle. It begins with creation when a document is generated. Then comes maintenance, where files are updated. The third stage is use, where data is accessed for decision-making. Fourth is retention, keeping the file for a required time period. Finally, we have disposal, where the record is securely destroyed once it is no longer needed. Security is paramount. You must restrict access to sensitive files, allowing only authorized HR staff and managers to see them. You also need to follow data protection laws like GDPR or HIPAA. For physical files, this means locked cabinets. For digital files, it means encryption and secure servers to prevent unauthorized data breaches. Organizations usually store records in one of two ways. Physical storage involves paper files in cabinets. It is tangible but takes up space and is vulnerable to damage. Digital storage, often using human resources information systems, offers instant searchability, automated backups, and saves space, making it the modern standard for most companies. A common question is, how long should I keep these files? While laws vary by region, here are some general examples. Hiring documents are often kept for 1 year. Payroll records might be kept for 3 to 4 years. Employment contracts are usually retained for 6 years after termination. Medical records often have very long retention periods, sometimes up to 30 years. To succeed, follow these best practices. Conduct regular audits to catch missing or expired documents. Use a standard naming convention for digital files so everyone can find what they need. And crucially, ensure secure disposal. Never just throw papers in the trash. Always use shredding services to protect employee privacy. Thank you for watching this overview of employee records management. By following these steps, you will help protect your organization and ensure fair, accurate handling of employee data. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more human resources tips and guides.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.